Hello, my name is Morgan Long, and I am from Salina, Kansas. I am about to start my third year of teaching kindergarten at Coronado Elementary School here in Salina. With my technology strengths and weaknesses, I would say my strengths are just picking up on new programs and technology to use. Within my team usually relies on me to be the one that teaches them how to use the new programs we're supposed to be learning, and just finding new programs and ways to use with our kindergartners. I feel like I can research well and pick up on new programs quickly, so that's definitely one of my strengths. With my weaknesses, I feel like I do incorporate technology a lot in my classroom, but most of it's teacher-based. So I want to find different ways that our kindergartners can actually use and manipulate technology too, not just watching the teacher or using the smart board. In my classroom, right now that when I'm in, we have 6 Chromebooks to use, and we usually use those for small group math and small group reading time, like center time for the students. I also have a document camera and a smart board. I definitely use the smart board the most, just with all the different things you can do with it. With Google Apps, I would say I'm pretty comfortable with them because I use them through my college career with all my classes, and then now at my school that I teach at, we use Google Drive and Google Docs to share information with each other. I definitely want to try to use Google Apps with my students more, because right now it's just mostly sharing information with other teachers or storing stuff on the drive. So I want to find different ways so my kindergartners can actually use the apps as well. But I look forward to learning with you all this semester.